Today's video. So I'm going to be unboxing one by Wacom Creative Pen tablet. I've already unboxed. I'm not going to pretend to unbox again. So these are the things you'll be finding inside of the box. So first is the slate on which you'll be writing, and also the stylus with which you'll be writing. Uh, the third thing is you'll find the USB which you'll be using to connect to your laptop or to your computer, and one more small cover in which you'll get extra LEDs for the stylus. So let's get started. And also, like, I'm using a Dell laptop. I've tried to use it a little on my Mac, but I don't think it's properly working. Maybe I have to do a little bit more research about whether it will actually work on a Mac, but I'm pretty sure it will work on every other laptop other than a Mac. So first, all you have to do is just use this USB. It's so easy to use and to even get it set up. So first, use this USB, connect it to your slate, and connect the other side of the USB to your laptop. And it's just done. You don't have to do anything else. And hi, so I'm going to be using Sketchpad to show this illustration on how to basically use the Wacom pen tablet. Pen tablet, is that it? Yeah, pen tablet. Wacom pen tablet. So this is the stylus, as I already said, and it has two buttons here, the top one and the bottom one. The top one is the eraser. So once, let's say I'm writing, let's choose this pen. I can also see how efficiently I'm moving around and using it, just like how I will use my computer or my laptop, but even more easier, because let's say you have a Dell laptop, as I have here right now. It's a little bit difficult to use. I'm first going to try using my laptop to draw something. You're going to see how difficult it is to you're going to want to use a lot of strength to write anything remotely, like very easy ones also. But if you use this Wacom pen tablet and the stylus to write, it's going to be very, very efficient and easy to do it. You don't need much strength, and you're just going to write just like how you write on a paper or your book. So I'm just going to choose a different color here. It's very easy to navigate and very easy to use. You don't have to have any extensive knowledge about anything, any complicated stuff. All you have to do, as I have already said, is that you have to connect the USB which they've given to the laptop or your computer, and that's it, you're set up. You just have to start using your slate. And so to erase this, you're going to simultaneously want to press this and erase it at the same time. It's very, very easy. Even a layman can do it. You don't have to have very much knowledge about anything, and it's easy to navigate. I want to use this. Choose the width. Very easy to use, even compared to what I'm doing on my laptop on a regular basis. And this will be very useful for people who are professional designers or artists. If you want to do digital art, or even if you're a teacher, especially during this time, during the coronavirus time, if you have to take online classes, it's going to be very, very useful to write formulas or take classes just like how you write on the paper. It's just going to write just like that on the screen. and you can just share the screen to your students, and it's going to be very very easy and efficient and handy. So you can just lay back and use it at ease. um, and as for the cost, I saw in the box it was about 8,000 rupees, but I've seen in some other sites, online sites, that they're being sold for about 3 or 4K. Not very sure about that, but I am very sure that it will be very useful if you want it, and it's going to be worth the cost that you're paying. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.